going to be talking about 10 money habits that will keep you broke. Coming up.
Stay tuned.
Hey, I'm Tyler.
Hey, I'm Ty.
And we're from hisandhermoney.com, where we're helping you to take dominion over your money and your life. This video is being brought to you by Legal & General America. Legal & General America is the leader in low-cost term life insurance.
For nearly 70 years, Legal & General America has been providing financial protection to over 1.3 million families and businesses.
LGA makes understanding and applying for life insurance easy.
You can get a free quote by simply going to hisandhermoney.com/LGA.
Habits, they are important. Why? Because they are leading us to a destination. If we have good habits, we'll probably end up in a place that's pleasant that we were striving to get to. But if we have bad habits, we're going to end up in a place that we have no desire to be in whatsoever. And so when it comes to our finances, we have habits.
Yes.
Some good, some bad. Some are leading us away from financial freedom, and they are keeping us in a place of financial bondage. So in this video, we want to unpack 10 habits that if they are a part of your life and if they stay there, they are going to lead you to being broke. And we don't want that for you. We want you to have dominion over your money and your life.
That's right. Number one is having no budget. Without a budget, you fail to plan. Again, there are no corporations that you personally shop at that does not have a budget first. Create a household budget where you put your income and your expenses so you can tell your money where to go.
The second habit is no long-term goals. You're not planning any type of goals for the future. You don't have any 1 year, 3 year, 5 year, 10-year goals that you are striving for. And as the old saying goes, if you aim at nothing, you'll hit it every time.
Number three is spending your income as it increases. When you get a raise or you receive more income into the household, don't go out and think about, okay, I can buy another home or another vehicle. Instead, think about what you can do with that extra income that you've received. Maybe apply it towards debt, put it towards a savings goal, build an emergency fund. Don't feel like every time there's an increase, that means that's more money for you to go out and spend.
The next habit that will keep you broke is only having a present-based mindset and not having a future-based mindset. When you have a present-based mindset, then your money goes right to the here and now, spending, looking good right now, swiping that card on things that you want right now, not thinking about the ramifications that that debt is going to have, not thinking about the ramifications of not investing your money as opposed to spending it all is going to have. When you have only a mindset that is on the present day, living it up, you will stay broke.
Yeah. The next one is ignoring your debt. Please don't put your head in the sand. Let's tackle your debt. You guys, we have a ton of videos here on our channel to help you figure out how to pay off your debt or pay down your debt. But ignoring your debt is going to continue to keep you broke. For every dollar that you pay off in debt, it also increases your net worth by that same dollar amount. So make that a priority and stick to it.
The next habit that will keep you broke is impulse spending. You are spending money emotionally. If you're down, hey, let me go and spend to help me feel better. If you're feeling great, let me go spend money to celebrate. It's all emotions, it's all impulses, and it's no strategy, it's no forethought. It's just emotional-based impulse buying that will leave you with nothing to show for the future.
That's right. The next habit is paying your minimum on balances. Please don't do this, you guys. The credit card companies also are known for this, and no matter what type of debt that you have, they're just going to show you a small dollar amount, minimum balance, minimum payment due, while you have this big, huge, large payment. No, figure out making some extra income to throw towards some principal to knock off that debt. If you just continue just to pay the minimum balances on your debt, it's going to keep you broke a whole lot longer.
Yeah, and before we move on and continue, we want to give a shout out to this video sponsor, Legal & General America. You all know that one of the ways that we teach you on how to take dominion over your money and your life is to think about life for those who will be here after you are not. And the way that you should consider handling that is through term life insurance. It's the only insurance product that we talk about in regards to life insurance. And we want to encourage you to at least get a free quote. And you can do that by going to hisandhermoney.com/LGA. No obligation whatsoever. It'll help you make an informed decision on getting your term life insurance together. So be responsible, take action, and prepare by getting term life insurance in place. Again, you can get a free quote by going to hisandhermoney.com/LGA.
The links will also be in the description box below.
The next habit that will keep you broke is relying on one source of income, because as the saying goes, one source of income is too close to none. In today's world, you have to have more than one way to make money, because you don't have any certainty in anything, whether you have a 9-to-5 or a business. Things can change. And if you put all of your eggs in one basket, you are setting yourself up for failure. So have a job, but have a side hustle or two. Have a business, but make sure your business is diversified so that it makes money in multiple ways. That way, if one area dries up, you have some other things that you can lean on while you try to fix this situation over here. But if you're the type of person who just finds their confidence in one source of income, you are setting yourself up to be broke.
Yeah, the next habit is avoiding financial literacy. The good news is, if you're watching this video, you're not avoiding it at all, but there are so many people that may be avoiding it, and hopefully you don't make that a habit in the future either. But avoiding financial literacy, you guys, is only going to keep you in a place of not knowing what to do when it comes to your finances. There is so much information out there now with the help of the internet, with apps on your phone, with community groups and private groups, courses and books. There is no reason for you not to learn in the area of your finances, you guys. So let's start making a habit of learning as much as possible and then applying what you've learned.
So the last habit that, if it is a part of life, will keep you broke is you spend first and then you try to save and invest after the fact. If you are in the situation where all you do is spend and then you try to get to the end and say, well, what do I have left over to save? What do I have left over to invest? You're going to be broke. It should be flipped. You should have savings and investing up high on your priority list before you start thinking of all the various ways that you can spend your money. But if you keep it in this priority order, spend, then save, then invest, sorry, you are going to stay broke.
Yeah. So hopefully, if you're watching this video, you're making it up in your mind that I'm no longer going to do any of these bad habits. You're going to start doing the right habits. And if you need help, we have a lot of information over on our website at hisandhermoney.com to be able to assist you in the area of your money and your life. Leave us a comment in the comment section below. Let us know, what are some of your bad money habits that you too possibly have done in the past and you've broken them, or that you need to break. Leave us a comment below. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to share this video. Hit that share button. Sharing is caring.
Well, that's all we got for this time, guys. It's been great. Until next time, peace.
Bye, y'all.